So today we're going to talk about kickdown lever woes on these small block Mopars. As you can see, something is wrong. Shouldn't look like that. This lever here should be able to pull up to where this is pretty well touching that. After driving this a while, I've had it doing this a couple times. I know what the problem is. I had to change this from a 2-barrel kickdown to a 4-barrel kickdown lever. So this is sort of stock, and I've got oil leaks that need addressed, but anyways, lots of them. Kickdown levers. We'll get back on track. My ADHD is kicking in. So I will tell you, all you need to do on a kickdown lever from a 72, I don't know what all year models, I know on my 72, the rod is the same. The rod is exactly the same on the 2-barrel and the 4-barrel. All of this is the same. The difference is this bracket, where the throttle cable and everything mounts to, is different. And then also the lever on the transmission, which is bent the opposite direction. The 2-barrel is bent down, 4-barrel is bent up. It was doing this on my 2-barrel as well. After you drive it a little bit, it gets bent down like that. I'll see if I can show you. We'll get under the car and I'll show you what's going on with it. This is a hard car to get under. So the kickdown is right here. Let's see here. The kickdown's right here, and that lever is the lever on the transmission is getting bent down. So what is going on, I'll get back up, is right down here. Focus. Yeah, that is the problem. You step on the gas, the transmission and the motor do this, and that rod is slamming into my 4-pan and bending the transmission cable down, the kickdown arm down. So motor mounts, I've already put a transmission mount on here because it was easy at the time. These motor mounts are not good at all. So new motor mount should solve your kickdown lever issues. If it's looking like this, it's not because the linkage is wrong or the rod is wrong. It's because that lever down on the bottom is getting bent down from slamming into the floor pan. I hope this helps. I hope these tips make sense. But to change from a 2-barrel to a 4-barrel, I know you can just bend these brackets around and everything, but I just bought a 4-barrel upper bracket and then the bracket on the transmission, and it works great until your motor mounts give out and trouble ensues. You'll notice, like, after you step on it, the transmission will no longer kick down and the kickdown just quits working, and you know, like you've disconnected your kickdown. You know, people say put a cable on it. Well, let's fix the reason. Let's fix the problems with the actual kickdown arms, and then we won't have this issue if we replace the motor mounts. So motor mounts cause a lot of issues, and also it's been slamming into the hood. So either don't drive it like a Mopar, don't stomp on the gas, and your motor mount may be okay, because you know, but when you're driving it like a Mopar, then it's going to break. Y'all have a great day. Thought I would share this.